To replace your proxy, first check if your IP is eligible by reviewing the banner at the top of your dashboard that says, "Please review and replace affected proxies." If eligible, you can proceed with the replacement from there by clicking Review and Replace. You click on Review and Replace, you'll be redirected to the replacement page, where you'll see the available proxy replacements. If proxies from the same country are available, you'll be presented with all the ISPs within that country. However, if the same country isn't available, we'll offer alternative countries along with their corresponding ISPs to ensure you have suitable replacement options. Choose your desired country and ISP from the list of available options we're currently offering. Once you've made your selections, simply click Replace Proxies at the bottom of the page to complete the process. After the proxies have been successfully replaced, a pop-up message will appear on your screen confirming proxies were replaced successfully. Your new proxy will then be listed under My Recent Proxies on the main Proxy-Cheap overview dashboard for easy access.